Hello, this is Dr. Swapna Priya, consultant dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist from Care Hospitals, Banjar Hills. Today I would like to speak about the most common problem where many teenagers would be searching on the internet about the breast enlargement. Is it really possible without any medicines or some exercises? Can you really enlarge your breast? No, this is not at all possible. Please don't get carried away all by statements and advertisements or things where you see over much in the internet. It is really not practically possible to enlarge the breast by using any of the methods, either by exercise or by even diet. If you put on more diet, if you put on more protein content or some fat, you will gain weight, and which leads to breast enlargement. No, that is not at all possible. So please don't be carried away. So what if do we take any hormonal tablets to enlarge breast? No, there is no way the hormone tablets can also improve your breast. So don't even try that, which might have adverse effects on your health. Coming to the other aspects, then what can we really do? Then is it going to be dream for all time? No, you don't need to be worried. The breast enlargement is a very simple procedure where you can approach a surgeon or a plastic surgeon and get this procedure done. And this is a very simple procedure. The moment someone hears that it is a surgical, they get scared. And is there going to be a long-term health implication on my health? Is this going to cause any problem for me in future? Will it have any problem of cancers, any infections, or any problems in the pregnancy time, during the breastfeeding times? Is a major concerns what I see in the people when they are looking for breast enlargement. You don't need to be worried. This is a very simple procedure which is done in daycare, which means the patient is admitted in the morning, gets discharged in the evening or night by the same day, and gets back to his normal routines within a week. There are two ways where you can enhance your breast in surgical method. It is either by fat grafting or by using a breast implant. Fat grafting is where the surgeon uses your own fat content being taken from the abdomen or from the thighs, which is filtered and kept back into your breast. So your own fat is being injected into your body. So there are no ways of side effects or any infection of the fat in future because of the presence of foreign body light is not going to happen in case of fat. And because it's just your natural content of your body, the texture also feels the same, and there are no long-term problems with this. And it is being injected into your breast or by giving some quantity, so there is no even change in the texture. Coming to the breast implants are usually a silicone based thing which is kept into your breast under your breast tissue, like a small pocket is created, and they keep the breast implant which is of the particular size which is shown to the patient, assessed, and then particular size of implant is inserted depending on the desire of the patient and the amount to increase the size of the breast tissue. And there are very rare chances of infection, but this is a very rare phenomena. In case it is happening, then they will have to remove the implant without any problem. And there is no concern that you will have any problems in the breastfeeding after by using implants or by fat grafting. You can just become like every other female. Pregnancy can be planned, breastfeeding can be done to the kid like any other female. And even the texture, when you touch your breast, you never feel that you yourself that you had gone through a surgery to improve your breast size. So these are the advantage of the breast surgery. Without any problem, everyone can achieve the breast size of the breast desired without major issues.